Have you ever pondered the magnitude of business and investment relationships between India and Canada? In the global business landscape, the bond between these two nations goes beyond mere trade agreements. It's a robust partnership marked by mutual respect, shared values, and a common vision for the future. At the heart of this relationship lies a dynamic interplay of commerce, innovation, and investment, creating a synergy that benefits both economies. India and Canada, two of the world's most vibrant economies, have been steadily building bridges, forging alliances, and nurturing partnerships across a multitude of sectors. In this era of globalization, their business relations have evolved into a fascinating tapestry of collaborations and opportunities. The technology sector is a testament to this flourishing relationship. With India's prowess in software development and information technology converging with Canada's innovation-driven economy, the tech industry is booming with cross-border collaborations. Education, another cornerstone of this partnership, has seen an exponential increase in student exchanges and collaborative research projects fostering cultural understanding and intellectual growth. The clean energy sector is another area where the India-Canada partnership is making strides. Their shared commitment to a sustainable future is driving initiatives in renewable energy, green technologies, and climate change mitigation. The intrigue of India-Canada business relations lies in this unique confluence of economic interests, cultural exchanges, and shared aspirations. It's a relationship that's set to shape the future of global business, and it's capturing the world's attention. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of Indo-Canadian business collaborations. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Caffeinated Money for more insightful discussions. Your support helps us delve deeper into the world of international business and investment. Now let's move ahead and explore some successful case studies. Scene script: India's prowess in information technology is globally recognized. But did you know about the significant role Canada plays in this success story? Let's delve into the fascinating world of the IT industry, where Indian tech giants and Canadian firms have been creating synergies for years. This dynamic collaboration is not just about business. It's a tale of job creation, innovation, and economic growth that stretches across two continents. Consider the likes of Infosys, Wipro, and TCS, Indian IT behemoths that have made significant inroads into the Canadian market. They've set up offices, employed local talent, and brought their unique brand of tech innovation to Canada's bustling cities. But it's not just a one-way street. Canadian firms have also tapped into India's tech talent pool. Companies like Shopify and BlackBerry have set up operations in India, leveraging the country's highly skilled IT professionals to drive their global ambitions. This cross-pollination of ideas and resources has led to a win-win situation. For India, it has meant access to a mature market and the opportunity to showcase its tech prowess. For Canada, it has ensured a steady influx of innovation and a chance to tap into India's booming IT industry. The economic impact of this collaboration is significant. It's estimated that Indian IT firms contribute over $1 billion to the Canadian economy each year. This, in turn, has led to the creation of thousands of jobs, a clear demonstration of the power of international collaboration. Moreover, this partnership has spurred innovation in areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data. Indian and Canadian IT firms are working together on cutting-edge projects, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and driving the future of technology. The story of India and Canada's IT collaboration is a shining example of how international partnerships can drive economic growth, create jobs, and foster innovation. It's a testament to the mutual benefits that come from combining resources, skills, and markets. Clearly, the IT sector is a testament to the fruitful collaboration between India and Canada. Moving on from the digital world to the realm of academia, let's talk about the educational exchanges between India and Canada. In the past decade, there's been a significant increase in the number of Indian students enrolling in Canadian universities. This isn't just a random occurrence, it's the result of deliberate policies and agreements between the two nations to foster educational exchanges. What's the benefit of this? Well, it's a two-way street. For India, it's about giving its students access to high-quality education and a global perspective. The students get to experience a different education system, immerse themselves in a new culture, and acquire skills that are in high demand back home. For Canada, it's a great way to attract bright, ambitious students who contribute to the academic community and often choose to stay on as skilled workers. These students also bring a significant economic impact. Just consider this. International students in Canada contribute over $22 billion to the economy every year. That's quite a hefty sum. But it's not just about the dollars and cents. These exchanges also lead to a vibrant cultural exchange. Canadian campuses become melting pots of different cultures, ideas, and perspectives. This cultural diversity enriches the learning environment, fostering creativity, innovation, and mutual understanding. Let's not forget about the academic advancements either. Collaborative research projects between Indian and Canadian institutions are on the rise, tackling global challenges in fields like health, climate change, and technology. This synergistic relationship leads to academic breakthroughs that benefit not just the two countries but the entire world. The educational sector is another excellent example of the successful Indo-Canadian business relationship. It's a testament to the power of international cooperation in shaping the future of education, and a model for other countries to emulate. It's more than just a business transaction. It's about building bridges, sharing knowledge, and fostering mutual growth. So, as we see, the journey from the digital realm to the academia is quite an exciting one, isn't it? The educational sector is another excellent example of the successful Indo-Canadian business relationship. Finally, let's focus on a sector that's not just about business, but also about ensuring a sustainable future: clean energy. India and Canada have been collaborating in this arena, proving that profit and planet can indeed coexist harmoniously. The partnership between these two nations in the clean energy sector has been nothing short of revolutionary. Over the past decade, they have embarked on several joint initiatives, each one a testament to their commitment to a greener, more sustainable future. Take, for instance, the solar power plants project. India, with its ample sunshine, and Canada, with its cutting-edge technology, have come together to create these solar farms. These projects harness the power of the sun, transforming it into clean, renewable energy, and contributing to a significant reduction in carbon emissions. But it doesn't stop at solar energy. The two countries have also plunged into the world of wind power. Wind farms are cropping up across India, their giant turbines a symbol of the country's commitment to renewable energy. These turbines, powered by Canadian technology, are a beacon of hope, signaling a future less dependent on fossil fuels. These initiatives, however, are not just about harnessing natural resources. They're also about creating jobs, stimulating local economies, and fostering a sense of global responsibility. They're about showing the world that it is possible to have a robust economy and a clean environment. Moreover, these collaborations have led to technological and knowledge transfer between India and Canada. They have opened up new avenues for research and development, fostering innovation in a sector that is crucial for our survival. The clean energy sector, thus, is not just a field of business, it's a field of hope, of possibility, and of a sustainable future. With such initiatives, India and Canada are not just strengthening their business ties but also contributing to a sustainable future. As we've seen, the business relationship between India and Canada is diverse and impactful. This partnership has truly proven to be a win-win situation for both nations, driving economic growth, fostering innovation, and creating countless opportunities. Our journey today took us through several important sectors where these two countries have been making significant strides together. We started off by exploring the booming information technology sector, where Canadian companies have been tapping into India's vast pool of highly skilled tech talent. By leveraging India's strengths in software development and IT services, Canadian businesses have been able to innovate faster and more cost-effectively. In turn, this has led to the creation of thousands of jobs in India, contributing to the country's economic development. We then moved on to the educational sector, where we saw how academic exchanges between India and Canada have been creating a robust intellectual bridge. Canadian universities have been attracting a growing number of Indian students, contributing to a vibrant and diverse academic community. Meanwhile, these students return to India with advanced skills and knowledge, driving innovation and progress in their home country. Our journey also took us to the clean energy sector, where India and Canada are joining forces to combat climate change. Through their collaboration, they are pioneering new technologies and practices that are not only environmentally friendly, but also economically viable. This partnership is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in clean energy, showcasing how international collaboration can lead to tangible solutions for global challenges. But the story doesn't end here. The business relationship between India and Canada is dynamic and ever-evolving, with new opportunities and collaborations constantly emerging. From agriculture to aerospace, from healthcare to digital media, the potential for further cooperation is vast. In conclusion, the business relationship between India and Canada is not just about economic transactions. It's about shared goals and mutual benefits. It's about learning from each other and growing together. It's about building a better future for both nations. So, as we look ahead, we can expect to see even more exciting collaborations between these two countries. With their shared commitment to innovation, sustainability, and mutual prosperity, the future of India-Canada business relations is certainly bright and worth watching closely.